We're at Collegetown Center to see apartment number 509. Let's go on in. This is a 2-bedroom apartment here on the 5th floor in the building. We'll enter through the kitchen, which is a nice L-shaped kitchen. It wraps around. You can see the appliances. It'll be similar to the other kitchens that we've seen in the building. Then we'll go into the living room area. We're going to take a look at the view of the windows here because we do have a spectacular view. We're facing to the west. That building next to us is Collegetown Plaza. You can see Cayuga Lake to the north and a nice South Valley view. We'll come around and take a peek in the bathroom. Here's the bathroom. It's the same as in all the apartments here in the building. Let's take a look at the 2 bedrooms. They're on each side of the living room. We'll go to the left side for room number 1 first. Here's a look at room 1. This one will have a larger bedroom window. Go across the hall. You can see to the right is a coat closet. Across here's room 2. This one does have a smaller window, but it's still a nice bright room. The furnishings will be the same in both. Here's that coat closet. So that's a look at Collegetown Center, apartment number 509. That's the 09 model. We're on the 5th floor of this 6th floor building here at 151 Dryden Road. We're located just 1 block from campus here.